no mistake. It's called Devil's Rock. 70 feet, 75 feet the wall starts. Okay? Stay close to Chris, Heather or me. We got always plenty of air. We're not going to hang a tank down. Just you know, if you need to decompress, if you need air, just signal us, Heather, me or Chris, and we leave you our gear. You can use that. We always got plenty of air. So we just take our vest off and just leave you the whole BCD with the regulator and everything if you need it. Okay? Please try not to go below us. Stay level with us. Don't drop below us. And let's kind of you know, stay together. Kind of, you know, orientate yourselves after Heather, me or Chris, whoever you want to go with. Just split with each one of us. I don't think we have any current here today, so we just hit the wall and then probably turn off to the right, up that way.
Tell us please when you got 100 bar.
100 bars, please. Show me 100 bars.
What's 100 bars?
This is 100 bars.
Now, what's 100 bars?
That's 1,000.
700? 1,700?
1,470.
Huh?
1,470.
Okay, 1,500 psi. Give me this side.
Here.
If my ear starts hurting you, if my ear starts hurting me, I mean, I'll let you know. Because yesterday I felt it.
Do
you want a little nose spray? Some nose spray. Sometimes that helps.
Yeah, but then she might have problems on the ascent. That's always dodgy to do that.
I'll go down the line with you, alright?
I won't do that.
Can we split up, Martin? Yeah.
I'll just decompress.
Everybody take 3 people or so. And we don't have to stick together.
Yeah, okay, we don't have to.
Yeah. Yeah. Just walk right over me. It's okay.
Come on, dive master. You got a dive master with you here.
Ben.
Ben's a dive master. Please don't outperform my wife, Ben. She doesn't take to that.
No, I can't even read your pressure gauge. So don't worry.
Have you done the back roll yet?
Okay, lady, watch out. Okay, go ahead, sweetheart. And stay out.
Tell me what you said. No, he said watch out for something.
Stay out.
I was coming over. I didn't want. I was trying to.
Oh, okay. Greg, have you got no pressure gauge? Huh? You haven't got a pressure gauge?
Yeah, I got it right here. The radio transmitter. Right here.
How much is it? Go ahead.
Torch?
Yep.
Last torch. What kind of fins are they?
They're right here.
I got him.
Oh.
That wouldn't help you, would it?
Oh.
There you go. Check if this is enough. Otherwise we give you some heavier. Cool. Okay, you want to put on, Heather?
Okay, so this is, oh I have it on.
Don't you want to put it on the water, Heather?
Tastes good? Okay. Switch one do. Sure.
The action.
It's very exciting.
That's what diving is all about, gearing up.
Yeah. I'm noticing.
Okay. And hold your mask and your spinner with the same hand. Okay. And then you can hold this. Well, you don't really have anything back.
One hand on the hind head, maybe. Yeah. Yeah, and one head on the right.
And you just lazy and
Yeah.
then you can scoot your butt back. Scoot your butt back.
Hey, me and Jack Cuso are like this.
Oh yeah, we're big mates. So you're responsible as well for the hole in Belize in the blue hole. That's it. That they blasted in there with dynamite.
Yeah.
Well, they're still looking for him. Put him in jail when I get him.
Excellent.
So,
I'm going to take a free
Now you
pass.
got the leak, huh?
No,
I
I'm cool.
should sink, right? If I take the air out of my DC?
yes, if your BCD is empty, Abby, you should go and you have a normal breath. Oh, great.
I need 3 pounds. I need a half.
Give me the other one.
Here we go.
I think I have a little too much weight, but that's okay. I definitely sink.
That's fine, Abby.
I'm sinking in a big way.
It never stops. Now Lenny needs more weight. He's eaten so much last night that makes him so.
Completely off his jacket.
Yeah, yeah, put it in.
Well, what you could do,
So,
yeah,
finally, last not least, I get to set up myself.
Yes? Okay, hold on.
I have to wait for Chris.
Can I give it to you to give me Patrick?
Hang on.
Smile.
Tired. That was nice, so that she made all those circles around us.
Yeah, he came around and made circles around us.
We used to look Jack.
It's very cool. Seeing the shark.
Yeah. You shouldn't have woken it up, then everyone else could have seen it.
I wanted to feel it.
Yeah, but you didn't have to play with it like that. It would have been asleep still.
In living color, huh, Patrick?
That's right. You
You
got
have
it.
to stop breathing to get close to him like that, Heather.
Yeah.
That's the whole thing. They hear your breath, they go.
I'll check that out.
That's what these are. These lasted a while. I'm going to lose my toothpaste. Very funny. Did you see that black-footed one-eyed toadfish?
We saw the shark.
So the shark.
Martin woke her up. That's what I was asking you. Oh, no, thank you for touching.
What were you asking me?
I was asking you, did you see the shark?
Oh,
Did
no.
you see the shower?
Where was it?
And you go, yes, it came drifting
Right
down.
underneath
I
it.
go,
asking-
no, not the
It's
mask.
right underneath us
Yeah,
there.
right under the boat.
Really?
Sleeping,
Stroked
yeah.
it.
Nurse shark?
Yeah. Really cool.
Wow.
Yeah, it was really cool. And Martin stroked his tail.
You just have to stop breathing when
Why
you
didn't you
get
just point to it?
near them. Well, you were too
No,
far
you
away.
were
Oh,
too far
okay.
away. We were just.
I thought, God, the shark buddy's been eaten by a shark.
Did you see the shark? He said, yes, it came from your mask. Here it is. Thank you very much.
Sorry.
No, but we shouldn't have broken it, because then we could have shown you. We could have all looked at it. It's fast asleep.
Way to
It
go,
cruised round, it
Martin.
did 2 circles around us, and then it tried to go back to where it could sleep, and then it didn't.
Yeah, I said.
The end of the trip.
So we had these snapshots
It's the night shot. Now you can check out the clouds.
You think that adjusts the contrast or something?
It's got this, it doesn't give it the orange. Oops. I'm gonna fade this guy out and see if we can.
The other way.
I get 40.
Lorraine is going to.
Are you using the night vision?
Night vision, man.
It's just if you look at a night vision
Yeah.
goggles, they're not full color.
Okay.
Just like it's gray tones.
And that's how it's actually going to come out.
That's how it's gonna come out. Yeah. I
So we
think.
have a very
Yeah.
interesting. We're gonna have to play that in everybody's hands. So we're gonna have. I have 5
I did really work yesterday. This is a lot of traveling.
Four times, which is I can fit. Now my problem is that I don't have a whole hell of a lot to bid.
No, you got space.
Yeah, but I don't have a single 4-card.
You don't?
No,
I thought you just said you had clubs.
I have 4 clubs. But you've already opened the clubs.
You said yeah.
So I have 2 choices. I can say one.